friends. Today, I want to talk to you about International Cello Day. The cello is one of my favorite instruments. The cello is a bowed string instrument in the violin family. It's known for having a rich, warm, and comforting sound. It's like a hug for your ears. You can almost always find a cello in an orchestra, but you can also hear the cello in lots of other kinds of music too. International Cello Day is celebrated on the birthday of the famous cellist named Pau Casals, who is known by some as the greatest cellist who ever lived. A cellist you may know of today is Yo-Yo Ma, and there are many more around the world. Just like other stringed, bowed instruments, the cello can help you express all sorts of human emotions through song. You can celebrate this holiday by listening to a piece of cello music and thinking about how or what it makes you feel. Happy International Cello Day! To enjoy our library of over 300 classroom videos, please visit www.wondergrovesocialskills.com or scan the QR code.